Another Porsche for this very good, very long time client of mine. The last car we did for him a month or two ago was the silver GT3 RS, the 992.2, and he just picked up this 997 Turbo Cabriolet that bought it in good condition, needed a little bit of work. He had some work done, I believe. Well, of course, the car always goes to Champion. They do their thing. I can see it's not lowered yet, obviously, but I'm sure that's something he always does. Usually the exhaust, maybe a tune, he gets it lowered. So I'm not sure what has been done so far, but the car absolutely needed a paint correction, so that's why it came to us. So the paint correction was done first. Whoops, in the wrong direction. Paint correction done, and then full body PPF and ceramic coating. And man, unfortunately, I mean, the sun is out, but there's a cloud that just moved right in front of it. So I hope the cloud will move. But yeah, so the car came in kind of peppered on the front bumper, so he had that repainted. Also had the rear bumper repainted. Unfortunately, he did not do the hood. As you could tell, I hope you can tell, quite a bit of rock chips on the hood. And unfortunately, the film had to go over that, so you're still going to see that. But I'm sure he also wanted to limit how much money he was going to put into it. But the car, yeah, desperately needed a paint correction, so we did take care of all of that. Beautiful color. I'm not sure if this is, no, this is not Arctic gray. That's, man, I can't, Atlas gray, I think it is, right? Yeah, Atlas gray. I believe I've only had one other turbo here in this color. That was a hard top. And I believe, well, that car also came here through Champion. And I think the owner lives all the way in Jacksonville. And so it came down here, I did a paint correction, no PPF or anything like that. I forget what I did. But yeah, that was the only other car of this color. Beautiful, beautiful color, I think. Very unique. But yeah, the car looks really good now. It's protected. I'm sure the owner's going to do some content with it, because that's what he does. He makes content. He's a media guy. He does all the work for Champion, the dealership, for big national and international companies. So I'm pretty confident that plenty of content will be made with this car, as well as with his GT3 RS, which I believe he's just coming back into town. I think he was around the country driving around with the GT3 RS and making content with that car. So, yep, another one ready. Beautiful car, paint corrected, full body, XPEL PPF, and ceramic coating.